Welcome to Meet Your Digital Team, free AI tools for the modern workplace. We will explore how free AI applications can enhance your workplace efficiency. Repetitive tasks consume your workday, and work requires speed. Fortunately, AI eliminates repetitive work, freeing up your time for more strategic tasks. Think of yourself as the manager and AI tools as your assistants. You delegate the tasks, and the AI handles the execution. This core team matrix outlines 5 essential free AI tools: ChatGPT, Notion.ai, Canva.ai, Otter.ai, and Grammarly, and their primary tasks, inputs, and outputs. ChatGPT drafts your text. You provide the prompts, and ChatGPT writes emails and code, assisting with brainstorming and writing. Notion.ai organizes your knowledge. You provide raw, messy notes, and Notion.ai creates structured project documentation and knowledge summaries. Canva.ai designs your visuals. You type in your ideas, and Canva.ai creates stunning visuals, including presentations and social media graphics. Otter.ai captures your meetings. You speak naturally during the meeting, and Otter.ai generates accurate transcriptions and text summaries. Grammarly improves your writing. You type rough drafts, and Grammarly adjusts the tone and clarity, ensuring clear and effective communication. You can also add specialists to your digital team. These tools handle niche tasks, further specializing your automated capabilities. For instance, Humata.ai analyzes complex documents, Gamma.app builds instant websites, Recast creates audio summaries, Copy.ai tailors marketing content, and Forms.app generates surveys. Chaining your tools together, where one tool feeds the next, multiplies your efficiency, creating powerful automated workflows. An example automated workflow is recording a meeting with Otter, summarizing the notes with Notion, drafting a follow-up email with ChatGPT, and polishing the tone with Grammarly. This saves hours of manual work. Start your digital team today. Pick one repetitive task and delegate that task to an AI tool by creating one free account. Remember, AI does not replace you. AI works for you. You direct the outcome and maintain full control over the process.